Hello children, phonics time, revision. Okay then, let's see if you remember the sounds. What sound is this? What sound is this? T. What sound is this? Ah. What sound is this? And what sound is this? P. Very good. So I can, and what sound is this? Sorry. Very good. Let's see if you can read this word that I am writing here. Okay, can you read that? Sad. Sad. Very good. And now, what if I do like this? Can you read this? Sit. Very good. And what about this one? Pin. Very good. So you remember, you know all these letter sounds, but it's time to learn a new one. So the new letter sound, well, if you're clever enough, you know, but this is about an outing. So we go, take the car, and we go out to the countryside. And we were driving the car, and we went up the mountain, and there was a castle, and there was a cloud. Oh, and I can see a donkey, very good. And I can see, oh my goodness, what can I see? Oh, I can see a cat. Can you see a cat? Look at the cat. Yes, my cat is black. Very good. And then, oh, look, I can see a key. Yes. And I can see a duck. Yes. But I can see a flamenco dancer. Look at me, and the flamenco dancer gave me this beautiful dress. And the flamenco dancer was using these castanets. These are the castanets. Can you see the castanets? And she was playing the castanets. And there was a lovely song. And the song was this one. Are you ready for the song? Okay, here we go.
We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. Clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets.
Oh, these are the castanets. Do you like my castanets? They are black. Oh, yes. Now I wonder, what is the sound of all these words? Castanets, flamenco, dancer, castle, cloud, car, donkey, cat. Yes? You got it. It is a k sound. Yes. This is the new letter. So can you see the new letter here? Look. K, 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 k. Ah, yes. Here's a big one. K, k, k. And so this k, k, k. How do we write that? K, k, k? I will show you. This is super easy. And the k, k, k goes like this. Remember to hold the pencil, the froggy leg, on the line. We start from the top to the bottom, and here we go. I'm going to do it very big. We go round, 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 round. We touch the base, and there we go. That is the k, k sound. So again, from the top. You can do it with your fingers. Very good. That is a sound, yes, of words such as, I am going to write some words. Oh, another k. No, I don't want a k. I do like this, and I got an ah, k, ah, and then I have to go up, and we go down. And what is that? K, ah, t, cat. Oh, cat. Yes. And now another little word with k could be, again, if I do like this, is another k. But if I go up and then down, it is a ah. And then I do a little stick, and then I go up, and this, it is can. I can see a cat. Ooh, we can write that. Let's see. I can see. This one you don't know because it's tricky. We're gonna learn this later on. I can see a t. I can see a cat. Very good. That is great. And I can write now. A cat. Wow, isn't it amazing? So what did we learn today? We learned that the new sound is k, 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 as in castanet, as in cat, as in car, and as in castle. Very good then. So now you open your phonics workbooks, you go to the page of the k sound, you take your pencils in a nice correct way, and you start tracing the k and color it. Very well then. Goodbye. See you next phonics class.